Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack.
Alright guys, welcome back to Evans Stretch Fitness. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to perform standing oblique exercise, especially for your lower back. It's a good exercise to get rid of your low back. The most important thing in this exercise is how you do it. The technique is the most vital thing you need to focus on. It's not about just crunching in, not engaging or using the right muscle. You can decide either you want to do one side at a time or you want to alternate. Either way that is comfortable for you. Let's assume we do one side. You want to bring your arm right here and try to open it outside as much as you can. So every time you lift up your knee, right? You're not going straight, knee up. You're going to bring it side. See that? Side. Let's try together. Bring it right here, and you go. Right? Focus more on using your low and low, not moving too much of the shoulder. So I'm going to use that right here, so you can see what now we're going to alternate semi-crunch. Right here, crunch. People don't reward good shit, they love to hate, but hate to live. Society is swing and miss. And honestly, I get it. Promise me you won't regret it. So what you want to do, one side is down. As I said before, you bring it in. Right? Just a little bit lower. So I prefer alternate because reason why also we give you balance. Right? But if you're a beginner, you can stick with one side at a time. That is okay. Let's go one more time. Don't forget to open up your quads. Bring it up. There we go. Alright, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Don't forget, you don't want to miss out for the next video. Thank you. Hey yo, what are you all waiting for? Don't be selfish, dude. Don't be greedy. Subscribe. Subscribe right now. What are you waiting for? Come on. Hit the button. Right now. I'm talking to you right now.
Yeah.